Hello beautiful people in the world! Welcome back again to my world. So for today's vlog, ayan, nandito tayo sa Hacienda de Cubo ng aking pinakmamahal na tita ko. Ayan, si Ma'am Shirley. So nandito kami sa Cubo para mag-unwind and maglanghap ng fresh air. So one of the best thing dito sa Cubo nila is napaka-provincial feel. So napakaganda dito. And today is a quality time with sa aming magtita because itatry namin yung bagong Starbucks dito sa Milagrosa na malapit sa NU, and I've never been tried, and also hindi din naman ako kasi fan ng SB. So nag-decide kami na kumain sa Yellow Cup, pero we just want to try nga the SB. So we decide na mag-take away na lang ng drinks, order kami sa SB, and then kakain kami sa Yellow Cup. So samahan nyo kami na umorder dito sa Starbucks. Diba? Go, pasok. Ang habang. Hindi, ako ka na muna. Ang maganda dyan, amoy-amoy mo na eh. After a long queue, and then finally nakapag-order na tayo ng coffee natin, and then hinihintay na lang natin yung tawag ng barista kasi piniprepare na rin naman siya. And yung tita ko is nauna na siya sa Yellow Cup para while waiting is yung may boot na tayo sa Yellow Cup. Ayan. So wait na lang natin yung tawag. Amazing! Thank you. Thank you. So yun guys, so after a few minutes, ayan, nandito na rin finally ang ating coffee. Ayan, so along the way, papunta na tayo sa Yellow Cup dahil nga nandun na yung tita ko. And then, just want to share lang guys na dito sa Olivares Plaza, Calamba, dito sa Milagrosa is a good thing is malapit nga kami dito sa place na to, and of course maraming variety na foods na pwede mong pagpilian dahil maraming mga restaurant na bago, and marami pang i-open pa. So thank you Lord for this evening. Ayan, so nakita ko na yung tita ko, and then samahan nyo kami na enjoy namin ang moments na ito, and let's go and have fun and enjoy. So that's all for the night. Ayan, so thank you Lord God for everything. Thank you for this night, Auntie. Dahil kahit super busy ka sa work and also me, work from home, and nagkaroon pa rin tayo ng bonding sa isa't isa. Ayan, and to have a quality time each other. And of course, I just want to take this opportunity na just want to thank and just to say that I am super grateful and blessed that I have auntie like you. And I never forget the persons who played a significant role in it too. So thank you, auntie, and I'll love you. Bye everyone!